One Halloween night, Thomas and his friends had all gathered round for a small Halloween party. Let's see what happens. So, does anybody else have any stories to tell? Oh, I have one. It's really scary. Please don't tell me the story's about Timothy. This story's probably gonna be your old ghost story, Percy, but fine, let's hear it. Why not? It all started one Halloween night. One evening, a little engine was preparing to take a train. He was very excited and couldn't wait to get started. When the guard blew his whistle, he set out into the night. Signals on stations were a blur to them as they set out on the journey. "You're doing good, old boy," said the driver. "Thanks, I'm doing my best." Soon they arrived at the hill. But then there was trouble. The truck started to hold back. Little Engine struggled to make it over the hill. "Hold back! Hold back!" screamed the truck. There was worse to come. Soon he made it to the hill. But then, with a shuddering jolt, the train pushed him down the hill. "On! On! Faster! Faster!" screamed the truck. "Help!" cried the engine. A cliff with a sharp curve was up ahead, and the engine was heading straight for it. Whatever happened next, I can't say. The aftermath of the crash was gut-wrenching. The little engine had tumbled right off the cliff and into the ravine. The other engines were mortified with what they saw. People and engines will say that on a clear night when the moon is full, you can still see the engine passing the cliffside, trying to complete its job. But it will never complete it. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. That was one of, if not the worst ghost stories I've ever heard! Diesel's right, for once I actually agree with him. What's that supposed to mean? Percy, it's been years. You really need to start working on your ghost stories. But it wasn't bad. Annie and Carbo liked it, right, you two? I'm sorry, Percy, but that ghost story just wasn't one of your best. Quite right, Annie. At least Terrace enjoyed it. Wait, Terrace was here? Yep, I heard everything. Sorry, Percy, they're just not one of your best stories. But it could definitely use some work. I'm really sorry about this, Percy. This just isn't your best ghost story. Well, I mean, I don't think you had any good ones, but yeah, you know. That's okay, Thomas. Does anybody else have any other stories to tell? I got nothing. I have a story to tell. It's called The Flatbeds of Fear. That one again? You know what that one is?